Hi guys, so now we are going to customize our premium blogger template, that is a Nexus Pro. So we have installed the newest version 1.3, and as you can see there's a documentation. You can easily check it out, and it told you how to install or customize this blogger template. You can find all the information you needed to how to install, that's everything. Okay, so you can read it out. We are going to focus on home page builder, and that's how we're going to show you and how to do it. So you can see and read that documentation if you want. Now let's come to here. If you want to do that, come here, layouts, click here. So as you can see that there we are seeing some error. Let me reload again. Let me see what is the real problem. Okay, so it's because of some network issue. Okay, so as you can see here we have all the things. Okay, as you can see here home page, as you can see our navigation bar not working, search bar is working, dark mode is working. Okay, so now feature post trading, and we're gonna set up all this. Okay, and I want to tell you how to do it. So that's what we're going to do. So let's start with our navigation bar. Okay, so in order to make it that happen, just come here. You can see here main menu, click here. As you can see here, as you can see this is home, and here is a feature mega. Here is our mega menu. In order to do that, it's really easy. Click here, and whatever your label's name is, just write it here. Okay, just like AI is one of our label's name. So AI dash mega. From URL you can just write this AI. Okay. Now save it. Now we're gonna save this. Now we're gonna reload that. Before that, you need to save here. Okay. Okay, it's saving. It will take some time. Now let us reload. As you can see that AI is showing up. As you can see, we are also saying like a pages, like know your rights. So mega menu is working. Okay. If I click here, as you can see, the new pages is opening. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. So SSL level is AI. If you want to put a URL, you can directly put like this. Just search, copy, and come here. We are gonna to update this later on, but for right now, if you want to do, you can do this way. If you are having some problem, we're gonna find out the solution. Just tell us, and we're going to do that. So as you can see that we again gonna reload it, and we come to the home page. Okay. Now as you can see that the URL is good. If I click here, as you can see we come here. So that's how you can set up mega menu. Okay. As for all the things, you can do it just as it is. As you can see, next setting is system setting. If you come here, click here. Here it's two options. Here you can add discuss the comment system, where you can add your ID name, then your discuss comment is gonna work quite well. Here's two options like crawler. Allow and disallow option is there. So if you do this way, then you can tell AI crawlers, like not crawlers that index your websites, like AI crawlers that take information from your websites. You can allow it or disallow it, it's up to you. So default is allow, you can change it. So leave that. Now here you can see feature post. Click here. In order to make this happen, as you can see here, this label, click here. You need to write the label in which you want to show the post. Let's say I'm gonna add AI. Okay, that AI. Okay, the name of your label. Okay, so AI, and the style count is 3, so I'm gonna increase it to 5. You can change it, but change it the way it is better. Okay, you just try out and figure out which one looks great on your device, and that way you can do it. So in this way you can see it, we have saved. Now we're going to reload again. As you can see that this is our features post. As AI you can see there's a 4 and 5. So that's how it is here. So in this way you can have like this one. Now we're gonna do all of them that is left behind. So you need to add just the label's name, like this label you're seeing, that you just write these names and that's gonna work. So I'm going to use like a self-help, that's level. I just gonna copy that, and we have did the feature. Now trading, so I click here and again go to the level link list, click here, that name of the level like this way. Okay, as you can, this self-help, I save it, save it. Now lifestyle, I'm going to edit this again, edit, click here, edit. Now we're going to add like a psychology. Just add the level name in all of them and all have the same way of doing, like as you can see that. Now save it. Even the videos, if you click here and again if I choose some like currency, let me choose this one. As you can see, I choose the currency and click here, and again I have put in the currency here and save it. Now save it. So all have the same way of adding that. Now as you can see that, let's see that how our website looks like this way. For feature post, it's a trading. Okay. As for the lifestyle, you need to edit like there's a 5, you can make it 3 or 4, whatever that looks good on you. Okay. As for videos, as you can see, there's 4, you can edit it to 3. Okay, the music and sports are not added, so we can add that. Now let's see, as I told you, how to control it. It's the lifestyle. We are here, lifestyle. If you see here, like counts, it depends on how many counts you add. Like a 5, then there is a 5 post. As you can see, 1 and there's a 4 post. So you can edit it later on as you want to look. Like I will gonna put 3 and save that. Save. If I reload again, as you can see that, this is how it looks like. Now let's say that you have added all of that, but you want to remove like this one, trading, or like this two that you think you don't need it. So how would you remove it? It's also really easy if you want to do it. Just come here, as you can see, it's music. Okay, click here. As you can see, there's an option like remove. If you click here and click OK, as you can see, this widget has removed. Click here again and click remove. Again you see it's removed. Now if I save this, no, just wait. Let me reload here again. Now as you can see that we don't see like a music and sports. As you can see that if you want to remove trading, you need to do the same thing again here. Come here to the trading, like something that you don't like, you can remove it and again add it. So that's not issue. Click here to remove, click OK and click save. Okay, now reload here. Now as you can see that we have feature post, lifestyle and videos. So you can customize it the way you want, and that's how you can do it. If you want later on that this again you want to put it like that, so again come here. Okay, here again click here and choose link list. If you see here, there's also like a link list. Click here link list and make the same way structure as it described here. If you go down here, as you can see, there's a this way structure to made. You have to make the 3 structure like a level, style and count. Okay, and that's how you can able to make it that. So also you can see that what is that for hero, grid, list. So this way you can do that. If you have any confusion about that, you can later on ask us and we're gonna provide more information documentation later on so that you can use it properly. And let's say you don't want to do all these things, so what you can do? Then you can directly just copy that your template file and edit it, yeah, restore it again, and it all gonna come up and then again edit it. So that's also option, you can do this. So you can do in this way. If you want to customize, you can do that way also. We're gonna provide you better documentation and a specific video for making that happen. So thank you for watching this video. Meet you the next time. Bye.